When I'm looking at the net interest income number, that's come in a shade below 4,700 crore. It's come in almost 19.2% higher year on year. So solid set of numbers, 4% quarter on quarter growth. Nothing to complain about there. In fact, NIM coming in at 4.9+%, really impressive number there. But when I'm looking at other income, that's come in lower. It's come in around 1,250 crore, which is a almost 8% decline when I'm looking at it year on year. That's come in by a slight miss. We were expecting that number around 1550 crore, so there's a 300 crore miss when I'm looking at other income, largely due to treasuries. When I'm looking at operating profit, that's come in 2783 crore, so that's in fact come in slightly lower, around 4% or so lower when I'm looking at it year on year. Provisions have come in far lower than even what we estimated, largely flat, no provisioning in this particular quarter as well. Quite impressive from Kotak on that front. And PAT has stayed above that 2000 crore mark. That's a good 26% growth when I'm looking at it year on year. GNPAs and NNPAs largely flat, in fact trending lower. Around GNPAs have gone down by around 10 bips when I'm looking at it quarter on quarter. NNPAs too lower by around a couple of bips. So definitely a positive there. Return on assets as always impressive, 2% annualized, 0.5% in this particular quarter versus the 0.67% extremely impressive number in Q4 FY22. When I'm looking at advances, solid growth on the advances side, nearly 29% year on year growth, and of course CASA has come in slightly lower versus the previous quarter. 60% plus CASA is what Kotak was clocking. Extremely impressive number, that one. It's come in at around 58% this time around. So watch out for that number. It may continue to fall going forward as Kotak's growth engine starts kicking through.